Hey, it's Bridget, a certified sleep science coach and mattress expert here at Sleepopolis. And today I'm going to be reviewing the new Nectar Premier Copper Hybrid mattress. I'm going to put it through a variety of tests and let you know how it does on our Sleepopolis scorecard. But before we dive in, here are some quick details about this new Nectar Hybrid. It's 14 inches tall, it has a quilted cooling cover with copper fibers, and then combines both memory foam and individually wrapped coils to offer pressure relief and support. I do want to say Nectar sent us the Premier Copper Hybrid for free to review and tell you about it, but if you do decide to buy this mattress, you're going to get free shipping, a 365-night trial, free returns, and an impressive lifetime warranty. It arrives compressed in a box, so I'd recommend asking a friend to help you unbox it and set it up. My coworker helped me, as you can see here, and although you can already see it taking its shape, give it a day or two to fully expand and release any packing smells. Our first test is a really important one for anyone who shares the bed with a partner or a pet. Checking for motion isolation. Motion transfer is how movement carries from one side of the bed to the other. So you don't want to be sleeping over here and have your partner tossing and turning over there and have to wake up because of that. So in order to test it out, we first start with our classic red wine test. It's a visual way to see how movement may travel. I put a glass of wine on one side and had my coworker Amelia move around on the other side to see how it affected it. And it did a pretty good job, but to test it further, I then moved around on the other side of the bed instead of the wine to see how much she could feel my movements. And overall, we decided to give it 3.5 stars for motion isolation. Next up is our edge support test. Edge support is how well the perimeter of a mattress can support weight. So think if you ever like to sit on the edge of the mattress or sleep near it. To start the test, I sat on the edge and moved around, and I felt okay here. Then I laid and moved around on the edge of the bed, and it felt more supportive, and I did not feel like I was about to fall off. So overall, I'd give it 4 stars for edge support. Now to the pressure map test. Although I can tell you that this bed has that soft foam feel, which can be really nice for pressure relief, the pressure map takes it a step further and uses heat mapping technology to show where pressure is building across my body when I lay on the mattress. So here's what you need to know. Blues and greens are good and are showing low pressure, oranges and reds are bad and are showing high pressure. You're going to want to see low pressure around your back, hips, and shoulders if you sleep on your side or back. And when I laid on my back, I saw basically only blue with a little bit of green, which is great. On my side, it was all blue and green, which are also really great results. Because of this, I'd give the Nectar Premier Copper Hybrid 5 stars for pressure relief for back sleepers and 4.5 stars for pressure relief for side sleepers. I'll add, it's not really about pressure when it comes to stomach sleepers. We're about to talk about them more next. Your sleeping position is also really important when choosing a new mattress. So every sleeping position wants to have their spine aligned, but they're going to need different things out of a mattress to make that happen. Stomach sleepers need a firm mattress to keep their hips elevated and in line with their spine. And I think the Nectar Premier Copper Hybrid is a medium soft mattress, so I think most stomach sleepers are going to want a firmer bed. I'd give it 2.5 stars for stomach sleeping. Side sleepers need some contouring around their shoulder and hip to avoid pressure from building up, and I think this did a great job, so I'd give it 4.5 stars for side sleeping. While back sleepers need a comfortable and supportive option, and I think this bed is a nice fit for back sleepers, so I'd give it 5 stars for back sleeping. Now let's do the responsiveness test, which is basically how easily you can move around on a mattress. So this is important for combination sleepers or anyone who has mobility issues. And this is actually the bounciest of the Nectar hybrids in my opinion and is really easy to move around on. So I'm going to give the Nectar Premier Copper Hybrid mattress 4.5 stars for responsiveness. Price is, of course, a really important factor when you're buying a new mattress. I do want to point out that mattress prices change all the time. The companies often run sales, and we also always have coupons to help you save even more. Just click the link in the description below. But currently, you can get the Nectar Premier Copper Hybrid mattress at full retail in a queen size for about $2,000. All right, now that we have made it through all of our tests, let's crank the numbers and give this mattress one final score. So along with everything we've covered in this video, I'm also going to rate it on things like its cooling abilities, its warranty information, its materials, and more. And when I put it all together and give it one final score, I give the Nectar Premier Copper Hybrid mattress a 4.3 out of 5. All right, I hope you found this review helpful. If you want to learn more about this mattress, other mattresses, or sleep products, just head over to Sleepopolis.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go, and I will see you next time.